I'm here. Stupid addiction. Oh, yes, and that's why we do it, friends. Oh, couldn't have had better timing. Good morning, my friends. Oh gosh, it's been a hot minute since I've done a longer video. This weather has not been kind to us. It's just been raining and miserable, but this morning I thought there's a little bit of an opportunity to get out and about. So we're in Mullumbimby this morning, and yeah, we'll see what we can come up with. It's already starting to sprinkle, so we might get a little bit wet, but I've got my rain jacket on, so it's all good. So stick around and let's do this. So I've just pulled up this spot that is normally occupied, but the only thing that's occupying it at the moment is this. How cool is he? It. Hopefully it doesn't attack us. We'll walk around him. Super friendly, I think. I won't hurt you, buddy. If you don't hurt me, I won't hurt you. Alright, let's just go and have a throw in over here. Alright. Water's super dirty, so much rain, but a little bit of sunshine peeking through today, so I'm in, or rather I'm out. Oh, there's already one on there. That was quick. I was holding on, but I don't think it was committing. There it is. He's sneaky. Yep, first cast. Come on. It's only little, it's not big. It's not a big one, but good one. Straight up. How's that for you? Fantastic. That's awesome. Here's a little one. Actually, it's not that little, but he's not legal. Come on. Wish those branches wasn't there. Oh. Because I could cast right in, but they're here as well. Almost had him. Ah. Little one. Little one. Yeah, mate. Let me get it out. Little one. Right. Dude, you're a grub. No more. Oh, no, we're good. We're good, bud. You do not need to come closer. All right. No, you're not picking anything out. Yeah, mate, wait. Oh, dude. He's just like the cheekiest thing here. He's so big. Okay, all right, bud. Oh my gosh, he's so big. Okay. Yeah, we're good. You don't need to be hand fed. Do you reckon? I could get hurt. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Okay. All right. Jeez, you're greedy. You're very greedy. That's just crazy. All right, I think you've had enough. That's crazy. He's going to follow me. No, you're not having chicken. That's just rude. I know, mate. I know. No, you can't have any of that. All right, you should go now. Go on. Go on. Go on. You should go now. Cheeky. They're there. Come on. Take it. Take it. Little one. Little one. There we go. Come on. Yep, straight up. Come on. It's only small. That's great. Actually, he's not too bad. He is not too bad. Oh, he's solid. Don't know if he's legal, but... Oh, he's like... His lips are barely hooked. I don't think I'll measure him, but... Just a smallie. In you go. Bye. Yeah, it's getting a little bit heavy, the rain. Check it out. Almost time to retreat to the car for a sec. But then again, all the fish. What about all the fish? Well, there's no fish even remotely interested right now, so... Let's have a go. It's always really snaggy just over here, so but at least we're sheltered under the bridge. Could be sitting at home, nice and warm, with a good cup of tea. But no, I'm here. Stupid addiction. Oh, yes, and that's why we do it, friends. Oh, I couldn't have had better timing. That's epic. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, buddy, come on. He's a good one. Come on. How am I going to get him in? Can't get low. Dude, where you going, where you going, where you going? Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's solid. He is solid, my friends. Come on, buddy. Beautiful. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, Oh, my net's all the way up there, so it's going to be... Oh, he's upside down, Miss Jane. Upside down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Yep, 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 yep. He's so big. He's so big. Solid. Beautiful. 31, my friends. Oh, put your tail down, buddy. Come on, we've got to show the people. Dude, help me out, mate. 31. Beautiful. All right, let's get him back in. Go. Be free. Beautiful entry. 10 out of 10. Right in the middle. Rain's not easing. Take it. Oh, he came off. Damn it. Rain, rain. Blame it on the rain. Okay, so if anyone knows that song, you kind of know how old I am. Good times, good times. Nibbles are rife. Take it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, gee, feels good, like a good one too. Oh, there he is. Maybe not as big as the last one. Oh, he's legal. Oh, maybe he's, no, he's not. He's long. Beautiful. Oh. No, he's not legal. Maybe just a 20. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. He's just barely hooked. There you go. Beautiful little thing. All right, you're going straight back in. You ready, buddy? Whee! Gone. Nice. All right. There you go. You can float past. Whee! Oh, seriously? Oh, am I stuck? Felt like that was a fish taking it, but I feel like I'm stuck at the same time. Am I snagged? Just let it sit there for a second. No, that's a snag. Oh, bummer. I swear there's something nibbling at it, but yep, not big. There you go. Good one. Woohoo! Nice. Oh, he's cold. Wow, I don't think I've ever felt a bream this cold before. Dude. Yeah, I'm trying to get the bloody hook out of you. Yeah, well, give me a second, mate. There you go. Wow, he's cold. Weird. There you go. Take it. Come on. It's not big. Great hit though. He's not big at all. Dude, how do you hit so hard? Nice. Little one. Gone. All done and dusted. How good was it this morning? Despite the rain, still got that nice solid brimbo and heaps of other little ones. We're pretty sheltered under this bridge, so that's my definite go-to for next time it rains. On low tide now, there's nothing more biting, so I'm gonna go home and have that cup of tea. Thanks for sticking around, my friends. Always appreciate you being here with me, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.